Shields Protection Professional, a better way to protect all of your digital devices. Since 2012, Super Shields has sold millions of quality screen protectors to satisfied customers all over the world. We offer a wide range of screen protectors that are engineered to the precise dimensions of each unique device for a truly customized fit. Super Shields takes time to work closely with the manufacturer to accurately measure each device to guard them from everyday hazards that life throws at you. Super Shields also offers more screen protectors than any other company for a variety of different devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. We listen closely to feedback from our customers, and we are constantly improving our designs. So the next time you need to protect your digital device, choose the best and choose Super Shields. Engineered for your device, engineered for your life.